Go or Java or Kotlin or Scala? Because first of all, we need to clarify that if we compare Golang to Java, we need to compare it with all JVM system, because the main languages include Java, Kotlin, a little bit Scala, even though it's not very common to use it, it's not really spread. Also Clojure, but I would omit it. Let's focus on Java and Kotlin themselves. The languages, like Java is definitely more verbose than Go. It was created in 95 and Go was created in 2009. So it feels definitely more modern, a better syntax and so on. About Kotlin, it's actually more interesting because Kotlin is even a newer language. It was created in 2011 and actually it may be even better than Go in some perspectives. Sometimes, in my experience and opinion, Kotlin still feels more verbose than Go, but when you use some external libraries and so on, Kotlin may have an advantage over Go, because that's the biggest problem of Golang, in my opinion. Sometimes it's just too low level and you need to write a lot of boilerplate on your own. With Kotlin, sometimes you can avoid it. So depends. But yes, I need to mention that I've never been a professional like Java Kotlin developer, but Java was my first language with which I started my programming generally. I have some acquaintances who are Java programmers, for example, in Kotlin as well. I've seen a lot of Java Kotlin code, so just my personal unbiased opinion about this. So like as the languages Go in Kotlin and are definitely comparable, like no second thoughts about way. But if we compare just the ecosystem generally, historically Java has dominated in enterprise, for enterprise solutions systems. Yes, like C# has carved out some share of it, but still like. So you need to learn not just a framework, but a stack of frameworks like Spring or Jakarta, like Hibernate, all of this. It's your responsibility to do this. There are interesting like modern frameworks for Java, for example, not sure I pronounced correctly, Quarkus, that definitely feels better, faster, more performant and so on. But yes, it's not so spread yet, but it's gaining some traction, friction, so we can expect something like this in the future. About performance, Go consumes generally much less memory than JVM family languages, and generally it's faster because it's a compiled language, but due to JVM optimizations, it's considered to be better with CPU intensive tasks. So for example, for simple classical REST APIs, Go may be faster, but if you have something CPU intensive, eventually like Java or Kotlin may be faster than Go. Not much faster, but faster. But still consumes a lot of memory. Their cold start may be pretty long, and Go's compilation time is so fast that you don't even notice it. Generally, in my opinion, it feels like an interpreted language like Python. And yes, like multi-threading, in my opinion, in Go, it's even easier, like, and simpler than in Kotlin. So yes, something like this. So I would prefer like Go generally, but I know business, especially for serious enterprise solutions like banks and so on, usually chooses Java, not even Kotlin, over Go, because it's battle tested, time checked, like it's proven and so on.